Okay, guys, we're comparing fractions again today. I am only going to work two of these problems with you today. I am going to work number 2, and let's see. I think I'm going to work number 4 with you as well because these two had different denominators. Remember, denominators are the number on the bottom of the fraction. So we're going to look at these two together. So number 2 is comparing 2/6 and 2/3. So they took the same size whole and they split it into different parts. So 2/6, they split it into 6 parts, and 2/3, they split it into 3 parts. When we look at fractions and they have different denominators, but they have the same numerator, they have the same number on top, a rule of thumb, something to always remember, the number with the larger denominator, the larger number on the bottom, has smaller parts because they took that whole and they split it into more parts. So let's look at our pictures here. Okay, so I can tell that these wholes were the same size, but I split one of them into 6 pieces and I split one of them into 3 pieces. So I can easily tell that my 6 pieces are smaller than my 3 pieces. So now I'm going to shade 2 of my 6th and then 2 of my 3rds. My 2/6 are much smaller because my 6th were smaller. So my 2/6 is less than my 2/3. These are not equal. They have the same numerator, but they have different denominators. These are not equal. It is going to point to 2/6 because remember that symbol is a bully and it points to the smaller one. All right, so let's look at number 4 now. Number 4 has 3/8 and 3/4. So it took those wholes and it split the first one into 8 parts and it split the second one into 4 parts. Looking at those, we can see that those 8s are smaller pieces. I'm going to shade 3 of my 8s. 1, 2, 3 out of the 8. And then the 3/4. 1, 2, 3/4. All right, so my 3/8, those 8s were smaller. It covers less of the whole than the 3/4 does. So 3/8 is less than 3/4. And so remember that symbol is going to point to our smaller number. It's going to open up to our larger number. So it's going to point to 3/8 and it's opened up to 3/4. And there we have it.